Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 best hold-down clamp reviews. Number 5. Accessbuy 4-pack hold-down toggle clamps. Hand grips are made of stain and oil-resistant red vinyl. Adjustable rubber pressure tips help to maximize pressure. 189-degree bar opening angle support from different angles. Plastic cover handle helps to process safe and easy operation. Brand, Accessbuy. Weight, 1.18 pounds. Model, a C094. Color, red silver. Size, medium. Dimension, 5.9 into 1.4 into 3.7 inches. Number 4. Desta 213U horizontal handle hold down action clamp. Bar guide helps by giving extra lateral support. Provides more hand clearance while the clamps are completely opened. Adjustment screw can hold work pieces tightly. It never loosens up. Small clamps are much stronger than their size. Brand, Desta. Weight, 2.56 ounces. Model, 213U. Dimension, 4.5 into 1.6 into 1.2 inches. Material, steel. Number 3. Desta 225U horizontal handle hold down action clamp. Made of high-grade steel for increased strength and durability. Great clamps to hold tightly. Red vinyl handle grips allow solid hand grip. Handle can move from 0 degree to 90 degree. Brand, Desta. Weight, 8.8 ounces. Model, 225U. Dimension, 7.5 into 9.4 into 2 inches. Made in USA. Material, steel. Number 2. Incra Build It Hold Down Clamp. Support all Incra track components and accessories. Able to lock a workpiece in a secured position for perfect cuts. Captured pivot design allow easy clamping. Made of aluminum component for added strength and sturdiness. Brand, Incra. Weight, 6.4 ounces. Model, BCLMP. Dimension, 4.1 into 4.8 into 1.9 inches. Made in USA. Material, down. Number 1. Partek 7108 3 hold down clamp. Clamp pads are made of anodized aluminum, making it durable, heavy duty, and non-marring. 5-star knob for maximum controllability. 3.5 inches long T-bolt along with thread and washer helps to grip thick material. Lever-shaped mechanism allow maximum leverage advantage. brand, Partek. Weight 4.8 ounces. Model 71083. Color black and blue. Dimension 6.5 in 24 in 22 inches.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!